Welcome back, everybody. I foamed in all those pieces I had cut at the end of the day yesterday. Even slipped a triangle back behind there. Just got a little piece left there when we find a scrap. Got these installed. And those, which is as far as I can go now before placing some electrical items. As I said yesterday, here's incoming new power to replace this receptacle, and that will feed in both directions to do that receptacle there and this one over here, which then sends power up to the switches there for the outside lights and fountain. I think I'm going to start over here to the left with a simpler activity that will allow some more insulation to go in real quick. There's this single receptacle here that had its own feed from the breaker panel, which doesn't make a lot of sense, so I'm going to power it from over here, which is going to eventually get its power from overhead, going back to the breaker panel that way. But right now, in order to get quite a bit more insulation in, all I have to do is replace this box with one of our new plastic vapor tight ones and feed a wire across here. Do as I did before and just cut a little conduit out of the way for the clearance for a new box, so we can leave most of history in place. The original receptacle box was held by the conduit here, which was not great. To attach the new vapor-tight box, I'll have to build a wooden structure here, like this capital L type thing right here. It has this feature that prevents fallover, unlike the lowercase l, except it goes upside down. And there's the box and wire in place, and now continuing with the insulation. Okay, and there's that all filled in. Isn't it lovely? I have to leave this out for a while yet, as there's quite a bit of wiring to do over here. And just a little bit more work will allow us to fill this in, but I think I've had quite enough of this for right now. And it's time to take a long weekend and catch up on some projects at home. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again early next week sometime with renewed enthusiasm. And remember, if you'd like to help out, you can donate to our project at fullerdomehome.com. See you next week.